How to find reader mode settings on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find reader mode settings on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera and then click this one, this Opera icon, and now click here and settings icon, and then you will click this one, start page content, and here you can find reader mode settings, and as you see you can manage it to anything you want. And that's how to find reader mode settings on Opera Mini, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.